Welcome back to the final installment of Lesson 22.1 Checkpoint. So we're going to go ahead and solve each one of these out by solving each equation by taking the square root. So what is the opposite of a opposite of a negative 10? Positive 10, yes. So that would be 7x squared equals 28. Opposite of multiplying is, I'm going to make that 1 into a really 1. Opposite of multiplying by 7 would be dividing. So that's x squared equals 4. So we're going to square root both sides, and that would be x equals a positive 2 or a negative 2. And because this isn't a real world problem, we can include both answers, positive and negative. All right, let's keep it moving right along. Again, number 2, we'll draw that line. We'll first square root both sides because there's nothing really around the parentheses that we need to get rid of. So that would be x minus 40 equals positive 6 or negative 6. And what is the opposite of a negative 40? Positive 40. So we're going to add that to both sides, and that would be x equals 46 or 34. Cool. Moving right along, we're almost there to the very end. A word problem. Area of a rectangular community. The garden of a rectangular community garden is 300 square feet. So here's my rectangle. My area is about 300 square feet. The length is, my length is 3 times the width. Ooh, 3 times the width, which I don't know what the width is. I'm going to say that's W for width, right? Find the length and width of the garden. So again, area equals length times width. My area is 300. My length is about 3W. And width is W. So we'll go ahead and multiply this out, and that would be 3W squared equals 300. And what's the opposite of multiplying? Dividing. And that would be 100. And what is the opposite of squaring something? Square rooting. So that would be W equals a positive 10 or a negative 10. Now remember, have you ever heard anyone say that width is negative 10 feet? Have you ever heard about that? Yeah, neither have I. So we're not going to use that number. We're going to use width is 10 feet. All right, so we found our width. Yay! Now we just have to find our length, which is length equals 3 times W, which was 10. And what is 3 times 10? 30. So we found our length. We found our width. Yay. Oh, and now we're up to the homework. So this is one of several assignments that will count for 15 points, so make sure you're doing that. It's from your textbook. Numbers 4, 5, and 6. Number 8, 10, 11, and 12, 14, 15, and 16, and 18 and 19. Okay, make sure you do that. If you need support, please come to the center. Ask any one of our staff members to help you out through this. Remember, it does count for 15 points, so make sure you do your homework. It helps with the practice. All right, we'll see you on the next video.